If you decide to fix your water problems after you're annoyed, then you're already late. That delay isn't random, it's a pattern. Let's talk about why you shouldn't and why it quietly costs you more over time. The first warning signs. Water problems rarely announce themselves loudly. They start small, a faint chlorine taste, a soap that doesn't rinse clean, and skin that feels dry after a shower. Most people believe that it's normal and usually ignore it because the water looks clear. But that's where they're wrong. Water quality problems don't move in straight lines, they compound. Minerals don't just dry your skin, they also build up inside your fixtures and pipes. Chemicals like chlorine don't just affect taste, they also wear down seals, valves, and internal components. By the time the problem feels obvious, it's already too late. Annoyance is usually the last stage. At Superior Water Purification, we've observed that homeowners usually take action when something interrupts their daily life. White stains on faucets, cloudy glassware, laundry that feels stiff, and a water heater that fails earlier than expected. At that point, the water hasn't changed, but their tolerance has. The damage didn't start when the stains appeared. It started when untreated water entered the home every single day. If they had noticed the signs earlier, they could have significantly minimized repair costs. Why people wait too long? Water is practically invisible once it's in the pipes. You can see a broken appliance, you can hear a failing furnace, but water quality problems quietly live inside walls and systems. So the brain ranks them as low urgency, until the inconvenience becomes impossible to ignore. And that's when people start searching for solutions. Not because the problem is new, but because the discomfort finally crossed a threshold. So, if you can identify water quality issues before irritation sets in, you can improve your plumbing lifespan, appliance efficiency, skin and hair, and your water taste. Most importantly, you can avoid stacking small issues into expensive ones. So, are you waiting for your water to annoy you? Or are you paying attention before it gets out of hand? Comment below.